Good morning, students. Let us start with English grammar. Lesson number 16, Adjective Degrees of Comparison. Introduction. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. For example, this is a red pen. She has a beautiful hair. So here red describes a noun pen. Beautiful describes a pronoun she. So here red and beautiful is an adjective. First, Ginny is a tall girl. The adjective tall is said to be in the positive degree. It denotes existence of some quality. It is used when no comparison is made. Second, Jilly is taller than Rini. The adjective taller is said to be in the comparative degree. It denotes a highest degree of the quality than the positive. It is used when two objects are compared. So here comparison is done between Jeannie and Rini, that who is taller, comes under comparative degree. Third, Ginny is the tallest girl in the class. The adjective tallest is said to be in the superlative degree. It denotes the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than two objects are compared. So here you can see Ginny is compared with more than two persons. So it comes under what? It comes under superlative degree. Rules for the formation of comparative and superlative degree. First one, the following adjectives form the comparative by adding er and superlative by adding est to the positive. Like in positive, cool. So by adding er to the positive, it will become comparative degree, cooler. In superlative degree, we have to add est to the positive in order to make it a superlative degree, coolest. Dark, darker, darkest. Young, younger, youngest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Second, if the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added to form the comparative and superlative degree. In positive, brave, the word is ending with E, so we will add R to the positive in order to make it comparative degree, braver. And in superlative degree, again we will add ST to the positive in order to make it a superlative degree, bravest. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Fine, finer, finest. Third, if the positive ends in Y and the Y is preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed into I and then ER and EST to comparative and superlative degree. For example, in positive degree, the word is ending with Y and before that it has a consonant P. So we will replace Y into I and then we will add ER to the positive in order to make it a comparative degree. Happier. In superlative degree, again we will replace Y into I and then we will add EST in order to make it a superlative degree. Happiest. Marry, merrier, merriest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Easy, easier, easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Fourth, if the positive ends in Y and the Y is preceded by a vowel, the Y is not changed into I. Only add ER and EST to comparative and superlative degree. For example, in positive degree, the word gay is ending with Y and before that it has a vowel A. So we are not going to replace Y into I. Only we will add ER to the positive in order to make it a comparative degree, gayer. And in superlative degree, again we will add EST to the positive in order to make it a superlative degree, gayest. Grey, grayer, greyest. Fifth, if the positive degree has only one syllable, it means the word which contains one vowel sound and ends in one consonant, and the consonant is preceded by a short vowel. This consonant is doubled by adding ER and EST and EST. Like suppose for example, in positive fat, the word has only a one vowel A, so we'll double the last consonant T and then we will add ER to the positive in order to make it a comparative degree, fatter. In superlative degree, again we'll double the last consonant T and then we will add EST to the positive in order to make it a superlative degree, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Sixth, many adjectives of two syllables and all adjectives of more than two syllables take more before them to form the comparative and most to form the superlative degree. For example, in positive, faithful, it has two syllables, so we will add more to the positive in order to make it a comparative degree. More faithful. In superlative degree, again, we will add most to a positive degree in order to make it a superlative degree. Most faithful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. 7. The following adjectives are compared irregular, like in positive, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, more, most, old, older, oldest, or old, elder, eldest, if it is related to the blood relation. Note, as a rule, then is used after the comparative degree. For example, he is wiser than me. So after the comparative degree wiser, we have used then. As a rule, the is put before the superlative degree. For example, Mohan is the most intelligent boy in the class. So here most intelligent boy. Before that we have used word the. Third, the following adjective take to instead of than. For example, Harjit is junior to me in rank. I am senior to him in age. Hope students, you have understood this lesson. Thank you.